Good morning, student. Yesterday we have done useful insect, and today is the turn of harmful insects. Today, students, firstly we will do many insects are useful to us. Let us learn about some of them. Disease spreading insect. Firstly, we will learn about disease spreading insects. Okay, so disease spreading insects, house flies. Okay, housefly. After that you can see mosquitoes. After that there are head lice, bed bug, dog fleas, cat fleas. These are disease spreading insects. Okay, after that we will do stinging insects. So stinging insects, we wasp are sting insect. Okay, so let's start. There are some insects which are responsible for spreading disease. Housefly. When houseflies sit on garbage or animal excreta, they gather germs. They carry the disease causing germs on their feet and bodies. When these fleas or flies sit on any, you can see housefly, sit on any food item, the germs are passed on to the food. These disease causing germs get transmitted to the humans when they consume such infected food or water. Diseases like diarrhea, cholera and jaundice get spread by the houseflies. So dear student, here is the name of the disease which are spread due to the houseflies. So what are the name of that disease? Diarrhea, cholera, and jaundice. We should never eat uncovered food as it is likely to have germs in it. After that, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes and some other insects spread disease through bites. Disease like malaria and dengue. Note these things. Disease like malaria and dengue. The disease which are spread due to mosquitoes, malaria, dengue are spread through mosquitoes bite. When a mosquito bite a sick person, it sucks the infected blood. When this mosquito bite a healthy person, it transfer the germs of the disease, of the diseases into the blood of that person. Only some types of mosquitoes spread these diseases. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquitoes. Okay, now again there is questions. Who is responsible for malaria? Female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, and dengue is spread by the Aedes mosquito. Dengue is spread by Aedes, and malaria is spread by female Anopheles. Some blood sucking insects are wingless. Okay, the insects which are wingless are known as fleas. Okay, so here fleas found on rodent like rat can spread a very dangerous disease known as the bubonic plague. It is very important for all of us to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. This can help us to save us from the harmful effects of the different types of fleas. So dear student, today you will do the reading practice of these mosquitoes, housefly and fleas, means disease spreading insects, and tomorrow we will read stinging insects. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.